As y'all see, man, the process on the Chevelle is getting done. Painted the bay, painted the fender wheels. Motor will be in it probably Thursday. So you ain't no training in there.
We'll get a start on it.
Training right
Think
here.
about it. Y'all will be cruising this motherfucker over the weekend now.
And here go the man
Might be cruising
who
over
be
the
doing
weekend.
everything. My mechanic Paul, he a beast. Take you all the way around it. I still got things I gotta do. Like my rocker panels. About to order them new. Slap on here. But other than the rocker panels, and then me putting the motor in, everything else is pretty good. Got the hood off, you know, I'm gonna spray that up tomorrow. Kinda dirty. Anything you gotta say, Paul?